landscaper is designing a rectangular garden. The length of the garden is to be 5 feet longer than the width. If the area of the garden will be 104 square feet, what will be the length in feet of that garden? So I highly recommend to maybe sketch this real quickly. We're given important information. Length is 5 feet longer than the width. So let's define the width. Let's say let width be x. We'll just call the width x. That means we have to name the length x plus 5 because it says the length is 5 feet longer. So I'm going to say this is x plus 5. This is x. We're given the area already. Remember, the area of a rectangle is length times width. So if we take the length times it by the width, which is x plus 5, the area is given to us is 104. Now these are the makings of a quadratic equation. So anytime you're solving an equation, your first step is to set it equal to 0. So let's go ahead and distribute first. So x squared plus 5x. And then you would bring this 104 to the left side because we're getting ready to solve. So subtract 104 from both sides. This would be minus 104 equals 0. Now we have a quadratic equation that we can solve for using any number of ways. If you want to waste your time, factor this by hand. If you want to save time, go to Desmos and graph it, or you could plug this in your calculator. But let's use Desmos for the purpose of this. Okay, so go ahead and type in that equation in Desmos like that, and where the graph crosses the x-axis, those are your solutions. So the x-intercepts are negative 13, and the other one is 8. So we know x is either negative 13 or positive 8. Now back to our question. Can the length be a negative number? We have x equals negative 13, and the other version was x equals 8. Well, we know we can't go with a negative, so x is 8. The question wants the length. So length is x plus 5, so it'll be 8 plus 5, which is 13. Now for the astute, you might notice, oh, I could have just picked this number, just take the positive version of it. Yes, that is always the case. Even though you get the negative version, that'll be the other length. Anywho, long story short, the answer is 13.